Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce selenium from the body. To begin, assess your current dietary intake of selenium-rich foods, such as Brazil nuts, certain seafood, and organ meats. Consider if you are taking any supplements containing selenium, as these can contribute significantly to overall levels. It's crucial to identify potential sources of excess to effectively manage and reduce your body's selenium load. We will then explore practical steps to adjust your diet and lifestyle. To effectively reduce selenium, begin by significantly limiting foods known for their high content. For instance, just one Brazil nut can contain over 90 micrograms of selenium, exceeding the daily recommended amount. Reduce your intake of certain fish like tuna, cod, and snapper, which can also be rich sources. Carefully check all supplement labels. Many multivitamins or specialty supplements include selenium. Focus instead on a diverse diet of whole foods. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors play a role. Staying well hydrated supports overall bodily functions, including waste elimination. It's also wise to consider your local environment. In some regions, water or soil may naturally have higher selenium levels. If your occupation involves exposure to selenium compounds, take appropriate safety precautions. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you suspect environmental factors are contributing to elevated levels. It is crucial to seek medical advice if you experience symptoms like hair loss, brittle nails, or gastrointestinal issues, which could indicate selenium toxicity. Always consult your doctor before making drastic dietary changes or stopping any prescribed supplements. Your physician can accurately diagnose the cause of elevated levels and recommend a safe, personalized plan. Regular blood tests might be necessary to monitor your progress and ensure healthy levels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.